Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Spider-Man Homecoming drone. It's a real beauty. Let's see how it acts. First time I've been able to get out all week. It's a little windy, but not that big of a deal. I got it in the third rate because I'm outside and it's windy, so I just want to see if it's stable or not. It doesn't seem to fly too bad. Whoa. Seems to be jostling around a little bit. Like I said, there's a little wind, but it's not that severe. I did calibrate it the right way. I plugged it in and turned it on with it being completely flat on the pad down there. But I don't know, man. It seems to dance around a hell of a lot. And over the hill we go. Still running too. Oh, I lost the bind. So the range isn't that good for one thing. And I see it right there. So this is going to be a nice trip for me down the hill to get it. But I got it. Have no fear. TDR is here. But you know, guys, I don't give up. I'm not a quitter. So I'm just going to rebind it up.
Welcome back, Spider-Man.
Yeah, welcome back to...
Drone is now operational.
Yeah, welcome back to hell. To going in the damn weeds.
Auto launch initiated. Stand clear.
Yeah. Boy, this thing is extremely erratic. I would have to say this thing is more of an indoor type of deal here. Man, outside here, it wants to go everywhere. I'll put the flight time in there just to try to get it to... I'm afraid to take it out of the third rate because I'm afraid it'll never come back. Yeah, it's very... I don't think I would recommend buying this, man. Just doesn't want to sit still at all. Here, I'm just going to sit it out here and just let go of this thing so you can see how it acts. Okay, I got to pull it back. I don't want it to go into those weeds. It's very erratic. And you know, when it's doing all this dancing around and hopping around and shit, it's hard to steer it, you know? It's hard to get it to go where you want. So I would say this is more of an indoor flyer. You know, I went and fetched it back over the hill from over the hill because I promised it to somebody. If I hadn't already promised this to Ryan, I probably would have just said screw it and threw the controller over the hill at it. Said here. But I'm giving it away, so it just, I'm just not digging. I'm going out of the range. You see that, right? And it's giving you a warning that you're going out of the range. So the range was only, I think I'm gonna, boy, if there ain't a flyaway candidate, this is it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna take this thing down. I'm not gonna lose this thing.
Activating auto land sequence.
There's the auto landing. You saw how it just smashed into the ground like that. All right. Yeah. Maybe this would be okay indoors, but outside, I'm not digging it. I'm not even going to put the flight time in there because there's still probably plenty of battery left, but I'm just afraid this thing's going to fly away. Okay, so, and like I said, I promised it to somebody, so I don't want it to fly away before they get it. Let it fly away on Ryan. Okay, how about if we do that? All right, guys, have a nice day.